Remember, it's never too early to decide what career path you want to take.
I have no idea what I want to do with my life.
Have you ever considered a cool, rewarding career in the manufacturing industry?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Oh, I'll show you. Just imagine if there was a place that could take someone's idea and make it into a reality. For instance, you could take almost any plastic material and create products to suit practically any need.
Whoa, that is cool!
And so is this.
Welcome to Lehigh Valley Plastics. We shape the industry.
Lehigh Valley Plastics is a well-respected and state-of-the-art manufacturer that specializes in working with nearly any type of plastic material to manufacture products tailored to their customers' needs.
Lehigh Valley Plastics is a unique company because we specialize in just plastics, which is a pretty unique process.
Our goal is to make sure that we're providing great products to our customers that are solving their needs, and the team here is incredibly creative about how we do that.
That sounds great, but aren't manufacturing jobs a dirty, low-paying job? I want something skilled, interesting, and fun.
Imagine if people knew the truth about manufacturing jobs. Then they know that's what manufacturing's all about. It's a great career choice.
So I think one of the biggest misconceptions of manufacturing is that it's a low-tech, dirty job that doesn't pay well. But nowadays, people are working in brightly lit, clean environments using high-tech equipment.
The reality is we need smart thinkers, people that are good with numbers and good with their hands.
It's rewarding. It's always challenging. It's always new and different. So I really like my job here.
Manufacturing is one of the most important lines of work in the world. You will have a hand in directly affecting and helping improve lives all over the globe.
Imagine if we lived in a world without manufacturing.
What?
We get to make parts that go into all kinds of different things that make everyday life better and safer for all of us.
Manufacturing is a great career choice because it's something that we always are going to need. Everything that you touch and use in life has been manufactured some way or another.
Keeps growing, keeps changing, just keeps getting better.
Well, imagine that. Manufacturing really is cool. Now I know.
What's so cool about manufacturing?